Solanaceae, which is more commonly known as the nightshade or potato family, has almost 3,000 species and 90 genera within the family. Solanaceae is comprised of Eudicote angiosperm that can be either highly toxic or beneficial in food or medicine. Much of the Solanaceae family includes fruits and vegetables such as tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, and tobacco. The Solanium genus, which includes potatoes, tomatoes, and eggplant, is the largest in the Solanaceae family. It accounts for approximately half of the species in the family and is one of the most economically important genera. According to the USDA, potatoes are the third most important crop worldwide based on consumption. Another important family is the capsicum family. This family contains peppers like the ones used in cooking. Members of the capsicum genus produce capsaicin, the chemical that makes peppers hot, which is measured on the Scoville scale. They provide spice and flavor from salsa to curry, making capsicum one of the most important genera economically and culturally. Many members of the Solanaceae are eudicotes, normally having 5 petals and 5 sepals. This is shown by the tomato plant flower. Plants of the Solanaceae are pollinated by bees, as can be derived from the natural purple, yellow, and white colored flowers. They also tend to have flat landing areas for the bees to sit while they collect pollen for transfer. The biological fruits of the Solanaceae are almost exclusively biological berries. They are simple fleshy fruits where the entire pericarp is fleshy, such as tomatoes. The fruits can be fairly large like those of bell peppers. They can also be small like the berries of deadly nightshade. Tobacco in the genus Nicotina has had significant economic impact in the past. Without this cash crop, the current economic situation of many countries in Europe and Africa, as well as the United States, would look vastly different. The tobacco plant continues to have a large economic impact, but its influence is continuing to decrease as there continues to be a push to quit smoking. Smoking tobacco is derived from Nicotina tabacum. However, there are over 70 different species of tobacco plants in the Solanaceae family. Although not all members of the Solanaceae family are foods, Atropa belladonna, more commonly known as the deadly nightshade, is a highly toxic member of the Solanaceae family. The flowers of the deadly nightshade show cotination in both the petals and sepals. Deadly nightshade has been used as a poison and medicine going back to before the Greek Empire. Atropine, derived from nightshades, is a medicine used by ophthalmologists to dilate the pupils to make exams of the eye easier. It can also be used to treat issues with heart rhythm, the stomach, the bowel, reversing the effects of certain poisons, and decreasing the production of saliva before surgery.